Lately, I've been hitting that snooze button way too much. The instant I wake up, I feel tired and stuck to my bed. During those moments, I feel like my willpower and motivation are non-existent, and it results in me feeling stressed and behind on my day once I do get up. But all of that is now in the past. The solution was for me to go through a 7-day challenge where I forced myself to get up within 1 minute of my alarm going off. And it was actually pretty painless. So here's how I managed to train myself to get out of bed instantly. Firstly, I declared on camera that I was gonna do this challenge. Then accidentally deleted that footage, so you won't be seeing that here, but it is an important step. Making a declaration of commitment can be the spark that gets you through the challenge, so don't underestimate it. Anyways, the rules are simple. Just get out of bed within 1 minute of your alarm going off. Before the challenge even started, I already knew my strategy because I did a challenge where I woke up at 5 a.m. for 5 days a couple years ago. What I did was set an alarm that was annoying on my phone, which I then placed on the floor next to the end of my bed so that I would have to get up in order to turn it off. So how did it go? Day 1, I actually woke up before the alarm went off, interestingly. Throughout this challenge, I would sleep at different times, but I always set my alarm for a time that I would get about 8 hours of sleep. And this was the only day I got off my bed before the alarm, which was very weird, since that's not how it's been for the past weeks. But I do feel like it was because I was anticipating the whole challenge. Day 2, I got up within 30 seconds of the alarm going off, and from here on I would do it even faster within 20 seconds and even within 10 seconds on day 3. And then day 4, I made an important realization. I'll play the clip in real time. While I was about to wake up, I had thoughts about how it's more important to focus on the act of getting up itself rather than why. And in the past weeks, I've been trying to focus more about why. Like, I need to wake up, we practice music theory, practice piano, like get things started. But for some reason, it just never really worked for me. I think it's because like while I'm trying to wake up, my brain and willpower is quite low. I'm not fully there yet. So by simply focusing on the act of getting up and making that only thing I think about, it makes it like way easier. Day 5, I noticed that there have been 2 very bizarre changes that's been consistent for every single day so far. Number 1, every single dream I've had has been very vivid and weird, more so than normal. I remember my dreams from every night, but these dreams during the challenge were exceptionally weird. I also noticed that my brain activity in the morning was really high, and I just had a lot of random thoughts and thoughts I normally would not have had I not been doing the challenge. Primarily focused on me wanting to get up as soon as I hear the alarm. Day 6. This sort of begs the question, do I feel more tired because of the increased brain activity and dreams? Honestly, no. I don't think it changes my energy levels at all during the day. If anything, I feel better overall and less stressed because I'm actually waking up on time and getting my day started earlier. It feels like there's more time in a day overall. And that's been a consistent feeling throughout the entire challenge. Day 7. Every day has been successful, and this honestly might be one of the easiest yet extremely beneficial challenges I've done so far. One simple rule, one simple strategy, and the cost is just having weird dreams and increased brain activity in the morning that pushes me to get up quickly. Let's jump into the future and past day 7. So it's been about a week since the challenge, and I moved my phone within arm's reach again for one of the days, and it definitely negatively affected me. I wanted to test out whether it was the placement of the phone that mattered the most, and I think I all but confirmed that placing it at a spot where you're forced to get all the way up is extremely effective. So I did it again, and indeed, I got up despite feeling crummy that morning. Once you're out of bed, it is significantly easier to just get your day started. So the secret to getting out of bed instantly, at least for me, is to start off by committing mentally in your head that you will get out of bed within 1 minute, and then place your annoying alarm at a spot where you have to get out of bed completely to turn it off. I will say though, I am a very light sleeper with sensitive ears, so this may be a lot less effective for heavy sleepers that also don't care about annoying sounds. I've seen my cousin sleep through what sounds like a fire alarm on his phone for 15 minutes. So again, this might not work for everyone. This is just a method that I found works really well for me. But let me know in the comments whether this method also works for you or perhaps a different one that you plan on trying. Best of luck to you. I'm glad I can finally say goodbye to the days of being stuck in bed.